Good morning, students. Today we are taking here quadratic equation next part, and that is nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now what is the meaning of nature? Nature means it types. Means it is real or non-real that we want to see. But how to identify that? For that there is one formula we are using and one term we are using that is known as discriminant. Remember the word discriminant. Discriminant is denoted by symbol, this triangle type symbol, and it is known as delta. And it is known as delta, therefore sometimes it is denoted by the letter D also. Then what is the formula for this? Formula for this delta is equal to b square minus 4c. Now this formula already we use in here formula method also. Yesterday we saw some you saw in that we use that. Now depending on that there are three rules depending on its value. Rules for nature of roots. Nature of roots. Which are those? See now first, if now these rules are depending on discriminant value, therefore in short I am using this symbol there. If delta greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. You may use there unequal, distinct or different. For unequal may there sometimes use the word there distinct. Therefore you remember that. Second is that if delta less than 0, then roots are not real. Roots are not real. And third is if delta equal to 0, delta equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. These are the three rules there. Delta greater than 0, roots are real and unequal or distinct. Delta less than 0, then roots are not real. And if delta equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Now depending on that, we are taking some examples. I am making a chart to explain all three types of sums. Here I am writing example. Value of delta means b square minus 4ac, and according to that, in short we will write nature of the root. Here in short we are solving the sum. First equation I am taking x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Yes, anyone say from this what is the value of a, b and c? A equal to 1, correct. B equal to 5 and c equal to minus 2. With that we are substituting the value 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. 5 square is 25, minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8, 1s are 8, 25 plus 8 is 33. 33 is positive or negative? Positive. Means our first rule, roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Now second sum I am taking here, y square minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. What is the value of a? 1, b minus 3 and c 7, correct. Then find the value of delta minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 7. Minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 sevens are 28. 9 minus 28, yes? Yes, minus 19. And minus 19 means less than 0, then roots are not real. And third sum is there, m square minus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. Then find the value of delta. Minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 9. Minus 6 square is 36. Minus 36. 36 minus 36. 0 means roots are real and equal. Correct. Understand all three rules to you? Yes. Means here by using the value of discriminant we can explain the nature of the root. Now this is only 2 mark sum. Means first find the value of delta is 1 mark sum. Identify the nature of the root is second mark sum. Now we want to solve any other sum which will ask for 3 marks then. In that first few, identify the value of A, B, C, 1 mark. Find the value of delta discriminant second mark and identify the nature is third mark. Determine the nature is third mark. Then for that we are considering any sum that p square plus 6n minus 5 equal to 0. This sum I taken. P square minus 6p, not n. All letters must be same. Now when we take this sum, first you write the first statement is compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to minus 1. When you will write this, your first 1 mark is complete. 1 mark step is completed. Therefore, now value of discriminant means delta we are finding. What is the formula for that? B square minus 4ac. Substitute the value. B value is 6 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 5. 6 square is 36 minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20, 36 plus 20 is 56. Is this value positive, negative or 0? Positive. Then you write therefore delta greater than 0. Positive means delta greater than 0. Therefore roots of given quadratic equation are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Means on this part, according to given part, we first find the value of delta discriminant. By its value, we can determine the nature of the root. Depending on that, you want to solve exercise 2.5, question number 1, 2 and 3. Are you understanding? Thank you.